Prasarita Padottanasana. Once again, you can invite some softness into the legs, maybe into the upper body as you take a ragdoll. Coming back to your breath. And then bringing the hands underneath the shoulders, we inhale for our half lift. Exhaling to fold. Inhaling, lifting the chest, flat back. Exhaling to fold. As we next inhale, lifting all the way up. This time turning the left toes to face the front of the mat. Left hand comes to the inside of the left foot. You can also bring it to your block as we reach the right hand all the way up. Reaching and lifting up from our chest, engaging our core, pushing the hips up and back. So really finding this openness across the side of the body. As if someone's squeezing you between two walls, or really reaching into this right hand.